Hello guys, welcome back. Let's quickly start with our weekly analysis. As always, let's start with our DXY. Let, let us go to 1 week time frame. Nothing much on the weekly time frame, same as previous weekly analysis video. We have this FEG left over here and price is reacting from this demand zone, this bullish order block. So let's jump into 1 day time frame. 1 day, yes. Here we can see something. This FEG, which we have marked from past 2 weeks, and it finally got filled out completely. And let's mark this high because, as I have said earlier, we will be having a lot of liquidity on swing highs and swing lows. So I'll mark this swing high as some liquidity point. So let's see what we can see in 4 hours. And price took out all this FEG liquidity, and price has pushed into this supply zone. So as of now, I as I said in the daily review video, I am bullish on the intraday time frame for yesterday, and it got achieved. This buy side liquidity got taken out. But now I wouldn't be keeping any bias for this week. I mean, as of now, I don't see anything to keep bias. I mean, no confirmations to keep bias because this is in a supply zone which took out all these FEG liquidity, and from here, yeah, price can fall too. But for that, we should see some confirmations. So what I can see some confirmations. Let's go to 1 hour, and this is a sell side liquidity which have some FEG here below this. So yeah, I wouldn't be turning bearish gets broken down until this gets broken down. So I would definitely look for longs from here. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. We need to wait and watch how price reacts from here. There can be multiple scenarios here. This can be a breakout and price can actually pull back into this FEG and take out this daily high which has a lot of liquidity, or else price can directly take out this high and can start retracing, or else price can break this, make some reacting from this supply or liquidity area and eventually creating a new low. These are the three scenarios I'll be looking. So as of now, nothing has been achieved. Anything, I wouldn't be having any bias right now. I would wait and see how price reacts from this area. But yeah, I'll have this zone marked for me in 1 hour, or I think it will be looking better in 30 minutes. Yes, I would be having this marked on my chart. And yeah, I will be looking for longs until this gets breaks if we have a retracement and if this takes out this sell side liquidity, or if it directly pushes up, I'll wait and see the price action, how it how it appears. So yes, this is my bias. I mean, actually I don't have any bias. I'll wait for some price action. As of now, no confirmations on any side. I mean, yeah, it is bullish if you see this, but if you see in daily time frame, it is in a supply zone. So we shouldn't be having any bias in this situation. So let's go to euro. Let's see what's happening in euro. Look at this. July 23rd candle, 28th candle. Price is trading in this range continuously. So, and price took out this daily candles low and took out this daily candle high. What that means, what we can see in this chart, price is wants to go down because price took out this liquidity and price took out the liquidity above this high. So what we can expect on the daily time frame is price is reacting to the downside, but that doesn't mean we should turn bearish on Euro USD. Let's see what we have in 4 hour. So yeah, even in 4 hour, as I said in daily review video, this would be the last zone I'll be looking for buys because I don't see any visible POIs or any liquidity areas here. So this got invalidated. So now I would definitely mark this as a buy side liquidity. So now the liquidity point for the visible liquidity point for me is this low for sure. So I mark this sell side liquidity and let's go to some 1 hour time frame. And I would be definitely marking this as a sell side liquidity also. We can have multiple scenarios in Euro USD too. Price could come on the higher side and take out this buy side liquidity and react from this FVG and eventually it can fall. Or else price can even move higher and take out this buy side liquidity and can fall. Or price can price can open on the downside and eventually move on the higher side because this is the let me delete this. We have some room left on the on this daily FEG which I will be targeting to look for buys on the upcoming days. So Euro USD my bias would be yeah, even though I don't have any bias on DXY, I think Euro can push down on the in the coming days because these can be, I don't see any valid liquidity points here, and we can look for shorts from these areas. So that's it for Euro USD. Let me shift to GBP USD. Let's go to 1 day time frame. Same as Euro, it is in a 1 day daily demand zone. Let's shift to 4 hour. What what are the visible liquidity points we can see here? This swing low. So I will definitely mark that as a sell side liquidity. And these are the buy side liquidity, and we have some FEG left here on the 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. But on the 1 hour, we don't see any FEG here. Let's see what we have. Yes, but on the 1 hour, we don't see any FEG here, so I'll be deleting this. But this is a really good area good area to have where liquidity should be present. So let me go to 45 minutes or something. Yes, we have a space of liquid FEG here. So I would be looking for shorts here. I wouldn't be having any buys in GBP USD. Yes, I have a bearish bias, but as of now, I would be very cautious and I would be looking for this scenario. This is the only scenario I'll be looking, or else. price can do this. These are the two scenarios I'll be looking in GBP USD. And in gold, I wouldn't be trading gold in the upcoming week because it is bearish. But I mean, yeah, eventually price should take out this sell side liquidity. But the only problem for me is it took out this. It has a lot of FEG here, and but it took out this liquidity on the weekly time frame, which should make a new low. But that I'm not sure on that, so I wouldn't be trading gold. So yeah, guys, this is my analysis on Euro USD, GBP USD, and dollar. So let's meet in another daily review.